give you guys a quick and easy process that you can submit the deals through into our system, right? So today I just want to get you guys all kind of in the system onboarded so you can get a feel for the flow of how we're doing business, what we're doing to leverage it, and see if it makes sense for any of your marketing models. You know, all you guys are already turning and burning in one way or another, right? Whether you're wholesaling a bunch of houses in your local market, doing virtually, whatever the case is, if you can source inventory, we can bring the low to moderate rehab houses, right? Houses that require a little, not a full rehab, right? They'll take on a project, but the houses that are in a little bit nicer areas, it works for the sellers that want close to retail, right? If you can negotiate just slight below that, if you can get the 6% they might pay a real estate agent off of the deal. In most cases, we can get offers, you know, in some cases 10, 20K above the ARV, right? It just really depends by market. So my goal is just to give you guys a quick and easy process that you can submit the deals through into our system, right? So we've created a back-end partnership portal for you, really just outlining everything, right? So hedge fund process is simple. We've really built out our back-end to source, right, and to funnel on the dispo end to these funds, and we handle the whole transaction coordination, right? So, you know, you're getting the contracts, handing it off to us. I expect to get an offer within 48 hours in most cases. We've seen, in some cases, if they're super bogged down in the underwriting side, we've seen it take a little bit longer. But 48 hours is pretty standard, right? So getting a contract in the buy box markets, which we give you guys all the buy box areas, right? We got our max purchase price for each market, the minimum bed and bath count built after a certain year. We've dialed this down so you have access to shared folders where I have the actual zip code list broken down. Now, I'll tell you what, right now at this moment, Retail Fund 2 has been more aggressive on offers than Retail Fund 1. I don't know what it is, but they're beating them out in many cases. So